is, everybody? What's good? It is the real Neexy as Big the MC with the Hennessy skew size. La. We are back and we are back with the bag buffet on another epic episode. Zizo Kala, Zizo Tete, Zizo Mago loudspeaker. I don't know how it is going to pan out, but you can definitely catch us on all social media platforms: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and of course your YouTube. It is what it is before it was what it was. Zizo Kala. La siyabuya. Danko. From the break buffet to it is what it is before it was what it was. On today's episode, kuzoba jam-packed session, jam-packed show, because wow, omunye wahamba, fly away like a bird, and then come back after three months, and then there's another one, like boom, kanjalo nje. So we don't know how it is going to pan out, but you guys can stay tuned, of course, on all social media platforms. Drop your comments, drop your chats, drop everything. We want to know what you think of today's episode. Allow us to welcome Utumela Wafethu onto the show. What's up?
Yo.
Hi, Tumelo.
Hi, Johnny.
Oh, you speak Zulu. I thought maybe you were gonna be like, yo, what's up?
No.
Oh, okay, cool. So you're not a shkush kind.
There's Goodman lifestyle.
Nice one. Thank you very much for joining us.
Yeah.
How do you feel?
Like as in relaxile, polile, yabo. So namhla is the day, yabo.
Okay.
So kumele kenzakale.
Straight. Nice one, Tumelo. Tell us about yourself. What do you do? Where do you come from? Skip it.
Okay, mina like ngibuya ePostback ne from East Rand. So abantu abangaziyo vele ngikhula vele lokushini kahle kahle Fosloras. So now I'm working. Yabo. So obviously like hustle nyana like emasayitini yabona nje. Maset nyana nje ukuthi uhlanganise yabona ube grand like life ini yabo. Bekele nemama ngapha yabo. So thini?
Nice one. Imama. So indoda must so that imama can be.
Simple.
Nice one, Tumelo. And then ekasi obvious ukhulele lokushini bakubiza ngobani?
Ekasi kushuti yabona mina like bengishanga amagama bhaya yabo.
Okay.
Yabona. So kahle like most of the people like bebangibiza baby boy bedroom eyes angazi ukuthi maybe thina abatwana on maybe masiku bedroom I don't understand. That's why
I'll take one of the cameras ngabaya uthi amehlo nje kancane. Let's see baby boy, nice eyes,
no,
eyes.
Like ngizothini obviously is it just jar yabo.
Okay, no, but honestly you do have nice eyes. They're brown and they're very nice.
Thank you, man.
Nice one. And then since bakubiza ngamagama amaningi ushanga ama bedroom eyes wena wachama wena.
Ngizawuthini nje.
Okay. And then girl.
So obviously yabona no. So being data vele girl vele nama is data kahle I was not 2 years in relationship.
Only not 2 years.
Yeah.
Na sweet.
So obviously like ezinye izinto some point uyazi umuntu sanokuhamba nyamalala and then now my like uba lonely, I understand.
What do you mean nyamalala?
Obviously like bekavayile ngathini maybe uyelova like kwaye kwisakhe yabo wayekibo like maybe konje vibe my KZN yabo. So obviously lapho nami ngaba low-key fine. Usane kuinida phela nawo yabo ukuthi yazini at least wafula ama pimple nyana yabo buye emandleni. So ngabona nami ukuthi yazini ngithole nami man umuntu man yazini ozongicomforta kuleyo situation nyana leyo like yabo kuleyo certain period kahle leyo.
So wena wobheke short period.
Umuntu ozongicomfort yabo. So my obvious now manzo yenza ezinye izinto gcina manje so developer yabona ama feelings manje kumele
so wena bo develop ama feelings kule 3 months
ngizawuthi nje obvious
okay bikavayile vele
yabo
and then ukuchild ukuthi uzovaya
uyalongitshela fede ukuthi uzovaya yabo okay sharp nami ngayithatha grand fede okay nya understand family matters yabo. So obvious mayise kabuyile mara izinto azikho grand and then now uyazi like mawuzovaya like you fair jo. Obvious maybe nami ngiyacanga ukuthi maybe uyajola lo mntana kada or khona izinto azenzayo.
Kanti umthemba umuntu wakho njengokucabanga ukuthi habi uyajola khona izinto azenzayo.
Ejo khona amahayina la ngaphandle. Khona izinja ezidlula mina.
Izinja
ezithi masifikile zithi baba lalela baby sweetie uthi kenzakalani. Thathela umuntu wakho okay so sele wena ependini, you understand.
So igwala.
hayi ukuthi ngigwala yabo nami ngiyasiface nami izinye izinto ne but some point obviously like maye sikhuluma mayiphepha yabo so nathi sisanukubhayizanyana siflopenyana ma obviously sothini
Maristana esifana nawe mchana njani
ayijo sothina life
ne mchayeleke ngalesi sesithu
lesi sesithu jo sihlanganile mina naye Phinda yabo umntana Phinda naye umnandi obvious uyazi man umuntu makakuvulela grand now obvious na
also beka khamisa be
obvious
khamiseka kamnandi
obvious
alright
uzothini ke mina nami obvious ngizokhetha ngibone ukuthi yazini ayila kuyayiwa and manje okay sharp angali nayo mama nayo akunika yabo ma okay nalapha yayo yazi ijezi elisha kahle ijezi elisha phela limnandi masenga amafana lifudumele limnandi yabo maye phela boshaphela into eyi1 cawa kunini ngidlana nesteak ngithi nje chicken yana sibone ukuthi yabo siya kanjani
yeah well I know you seem as if you know your story and
story
so no ufuna ukufaka
obvious like ngifuna maye yazini sibe C3 vele sishaye vele yabo i-triangle vele
ayiwena
ayikho le ndaba
so uzoba khona
ngizoba khona boyi2
kanjani
kahle
kanjani
like okay sharp yabona masiphuma sonke once siphuma soyi3 siyavaya soqhuva masibuya silala sonke C3 kube mnandi
EP13
kunani
tibelo uzokhona
ngizokhona khuleka istamina sinaso
hayi lalelakho
yeah.
Show of it there you have it Tumelo story stamina unaso Max sweetie everything is going to be legit Nandi everything else but Mjolo is a pandemic we don't know how this Mjolo is going to go out do stay tuned it is the real Neexy Nesmic DMC with the Hennessy scheme so has lalela siyabuya the break buffet so you are still stuck with the real Neexy Nesmic DMC with the Hennessy scheme so has Lalela. If you're in here then what are you doing? This is the show that makes things happen. It is what it is before it was what it was. Nimzwile utumelo buffet sathi yonke into ihleli ngohlelo yonke into ihamba ngoline so if not a trio then why not? We are definitely going to be welcoming Tumelo's girlfriend asazi ukuthi kuzoyenzakalani and Tumelo's girlfriend is very nice, very hot, very sexy. So I've gotten a message from my producers to say that she is available and please do allow us to welcome her. Hi Enhle.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. I like your nails. I
Thank
like
you.
your style. I just like you. Your piercings, everything
Thank you.
else. You are very beautiful.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, no,
Beautiful yourself.
Thank you. You definitely follow your name, Enhle.
Thank you.
Wow. Tell us a little bit about yourself. Who's Enhle? Where do you come from? What do you do?
Enhle is Wakhe, and I currently stay in Soweto. I sometimes go home in Durban and visit my cousins, my sisters. Yeah.
Nice. So you only just go there to visit?
Yes.
Okay.
And see my family.
See family. Okay.
Yes.
So you're working and it seems like you've got such a chilled, not so busy life. It's very chilled because if you're not at work, you're at home. And if you need to visit, then you go down to Durban and you visit.
Yes.
That's interesting. And what are your interests? What is it that you're interested in?
I'm into being a future brand ambassador,
Nice.
promoter, and also acting.
That's interesting. I mean, I see you're wearing denim and there's a guy just next to you that's wearing denim. I don't understand. Vashkan.
Give relationship goals.
Okay, so you guys are in a relationship.
Yes.
So you know him.
Yes, I know
Interesting.
him.
How do you know him?
He's my boyfriend. We've been dating for like 2 years.
Uh-huh.
We met at prom. We're in Republic.
Wow. Well, you guys are winning the Republic.
Yes.
Nice one. Nice one. Yeah.
And then sahlangana nje. Because bengimbona ukuthi this person is busy eyeing me.
Yeah.
Phela uyazi uma intombazane umuntu okufunayo uyambona. Yeah.
Yes. No, that's true. That's true. So
Yeah.
you saw an eye candy and you're like, nah. Yeah. If he's not coming here, then I has. And you
Nakhona
came.
ngithi obviously you have to act like awazi awubona next.
Okay.
Act
Awasha ngathi vele.
Yeah, ngathi umfuni.
Okay. That's interesting. I love this, guys. I love this. And you guys are getting very chilled. Some bay couples, bay vibes,
relationship
goals, denim and denim. Your eyes, and you even wearing black on top of Nijalan or.
No.
Okay, it's in the plan.
I used to ask her, but you must have at
yeah.
Obviously.
Okay.
Favorite color.
Favorite color. So let's my favorite color.
My favorite color.
Nice one. Thank you so much, guys, for joining us. You guys are really cute together.
Thank you.
And I just want to break it down there. Like, do Melo? Melo?
Yes.
Mr. Bedroom Eyes. Here's your girlfriend. You asked us to fetch your girlfriend because you wanted to say something to your girlfriend.
Yeah.
Please let her know why she's here.
Okay.
I wonder why today no Entle.
Okay, lovey. So the reason why let's say Lagu the show that's what happened. Remember it was past few months like Hambi. Yeah. So what happened is that I met Konuke like in Klanganenai, and then obviously so manje na mine funa vele introduce akuye ukuthi na umbone angazi like uzoyithatha kanjani uzofila kanjani ukuhlalisa kabi manje yeah ngiyakhuluma vele obviously like now mawuvayile jo and it's not like being cheated
and it's not like bengiqala ukuhamba
you guys, and please try to use your mic so that we can hear you as well on our side.
Sorry.
I wouldn't cheat. Like cheating. You ask her like ukuganganyana. So angazi wena ubithatha
kanjani. Uthi bekungekho cheating so lento beyenza ibiza ngani ke if bekungasi cheating?
Ngayibiza ngani umdlalo?
Wow. So basically nathi kahle siyadlala
because no like it's serious now lento siyenza
manje my serious like does it allow you to bring other people in the relationship?
Okay, firstly like
and it's funny how like I've been saying good you've been acting different. I've been saying good there's something off about you. What did you say to me? You say I'm being insecure my trust issues.
Obviously cause mara like njalo
mara ungenza sleep mangitshelile ngathi there's something off ngawe
mara now like every time like mong video caller ufuna ukubona ukuthi nginoba neromini
yes because like you've been acting different
like bruh come on
now I'm bra all of a sudden
no
just okay. Because you got yourself another girlfriend I'm bra
it's not like good thing to
no I'm asking you all of a sudden J because so to any girlfriend now I'm bra. Firstly, I was entry, now I'm bra. Okay, it's fine.
Okay, mina ngizothini ke wona kahle kahle okay if usayicathu lenza
mbozo yenza so if uthole unyekela ke usafunani la kimi
ngisafunani kanjani
wangaqhubekanga naye
nincenyo noyithuma
mina ungangihlanyeli yasmile ngiyahleka mina
yo but like my facts ngikhuluma like iqiniso obviously mangithanda noyithumele ngenzeni mina
ungitshele bese uphuma kimi usahlalelani kimi kanjani ubuza mina kanti ungene kanjani
ungene kahle obviously
yeah uzophuma kahle ke
jo wow
and then azakhalela
flat flat straight
and Entle how do you feel my love
like he's pissing me off like seriously
and I mean you mentioned that he's changed a bit
exactly
what is
and
it that you saw?
Like umuntu all of a sudden go WhatsApp oba online akangitext ngizibuza ngithi ma online text abantu ungatext mina and then he's like nah no shut the fuck up I'm not talking to you and then he's like nah I'm busy with something obviously I have friends I can't text you pale like I'm like all of a sudden you telling me that shit like what the fuck
so
I said shut up I said shut the fuck up and then umuntu akasangifonele bengifuna ngakhona bekahlala ngifonela like bekahlala ngifonela most of the time yangifonela manje I'm like kenzakalani why ungasangifoneli it's like nah I'm chilling with my friends or I'm busy because yazi ukuthi I'm hustling nan like
so the friends are an issue la
Angmazi,
because
angmazi.
WhatsApp he made an excuse ukuthi hey my friends, if I'm not chatting to you, I'm chatting to my friends.
Exactly.
So my friends problem issue.
Should get like a good issue my friends yabo.
Or you were just lying to
Bekayenza
her.
excuse ngayo.
excuse.
Exactly,
No.
because manje uyasho ukuthi uyabhoreka.
Maka like mongekho obvious like neither is.
Okay, hlala naye ke nalo mdlalo wakho since uthe umdlalo. Ayenze uthe umdlalo, hlala nawo. Since it seems like uyachaza umdlalo wakho
So-
and mina awusangiphenduli because sothola umdlalo wakho.
Okay, fine ngiyakuzwa ne. So kahle kahle ufuna kahle lento lesiyenza is debate.
Debate yani manje.
My speech saphikisana mina nawe ukuthi.
Yeah, angithi mina ngithi into zibe ngcono ngithi ngiyakuyeka sala naye.
Awuyenzi izinto zibe ngcono, yenza izinto zibe difficult.
Kanjani?
Kahle. Moshiya mina like uthola bani.
Ngithola bana kusindaba yakho le. Engithi nawe ukwazi ukumthola omunye.
Okushuthi kahle wona nawe so movie on. Okushuthi kahle
Ungafaka amagama emlomeni. Ungafaka amagama emlomeni wami.
Sigcineni-
I'm just trying to show you that I can do whatever you're doing.
Sakazi.
Uyangibuza ngiyakutshela.
Shoot naseNatal mosboyenza lento.
Ayike mina ungangihlanyeli because wena ngoba soqala ukuyenza izinto manje socanga ukuthi nami ngiyaziyenza. If bengifuna ukuhamba kube kudala ngihambile, it's not like abangifuna abantu baningi abantu abangifunayo. And I've been rejecting them because I thought ukuthi wena you're all serious about me. Only to find out ukuthi you're only taking me for a boost.
Okay, maka like 3 months. Uvayile jo.
3 months. Like we've been talking, it's not like bengakunaki. Ngiyakufonela. Amafoni akho angena ku voicemail all of a sudden, then you're gonna come here and tell me shit.
Wow.
How do you feel, Melo?
Okay, sharp. Yabona mina ngifila hurt.
Feel ahead the food. You chatting and then uzongitshela ukuthi feel ahead.
Like mara like ivare jo.
When I'm feel ahead mina ngifila njani? Since you're the one who's cheating ubhizi uyafeba kumnandi.
Ngikutshelile ukuthi bengingafebi. Khona ukufeba. Like khona ukufeba nokudlala to be honest.
Are you still playing namanje?
Mina. Yeah, we still playing mina nalomntana, understand.
Where are you guys playing?
How are you playing?
Are you guys playing with Latin esihlala khona?
Yeah, mongekho obvious.
So basically lo muntu lo uyamletha la mina ngiletha. So like since ngibuyile nje ngihlele la bekuhlela umuntu khona.
Yeah, iKenya. La mashit lawo washa like kanti mawasha. Obviously.
Awusancengi nokuncenga mfethu ukuthi ay mamas lalela man. At least zama ukufaka
I think he's an asshole. He's an asshole, that's why.
You're just going to be blunt about it.
No, indaba manje yabona ne like to be honest manje mele senza ama sacrifices yabo. And mangancengi nama ngimcengi, you understand?
So do you
Yeah,
think
since
this is last?
singancingani then solution ikhona. Siyeke lento siyenzayo. Ayithi yena udelo wakho uyancenga ngisho.
Hawu. Also wena kahle kahle wena ufuna ukuyeka lento.
Ngifuna ukuyeka.
Uyekelana.
Because iyabheda ngithi nawe uyayibona. Please invite the whole invite wonke umhlaba wonke kule relationship.
Kanjani? Umuntu one.
Sibaningi.
How sure are you Melo ukuthi akusi i-last le, i-love?
Exactly. Because basically
Ayish,
ngathi nje
Because
sekwama
you're still saying
province.
ukuthi
So
ngiyadlala ngithi. That's what you still say.
Yabona le ngiyiphendule ke sister.
nakhona if like bayadlala right, why afuna ukumletha relationship yethu, why introduce game if they playing kusho kona ukuthi you don't respect me.
Like obviously
No, you don't respect me.
Wansho phela izinye izinto some point ne mele like ngikubonise ukuthi okay sharp.
Manje ungazi uzongilethela phambi kwabantu, uzongiembarasa phambi kwabantu, just uyangiembarasa ngifakela amehlo wabantu,
Ubonisa ukuthi
ngifakela amehlo wabantu,
Akufakela amehlo wabantu.
ungifakela amehlo wabantu. I just told him ukuthi ngifuna ukuba ku social media, I have a YouTube channel, like bazothini manje abantu songiletha la ungilethela ukungibonisa abanye abantu,
bakubonile mas.
mina like ngijwayela kabi shame yazi,
Mara,
ngijwayela kabi.
Okay, kushuthi if bengakuncanywa bengingikulethi la.
Ungilethelani la, awukwazi ukungitshela lento leyo bofuna ukungitshela yona, kube ngitshele the time singekho la. So you just brought me here to embarrass me.
Yes, camera there.
Ngiyenzeni camera ngiyidle, ufuna ngiyidle?
Hayi ukuthi uyidle, like uzosibona umhlaba ukuthi yazi.
Ukuthini ukuthi you're an asshole.
Not ukuthi I'm an asshole.
You're always doing shit.
Kanjani?
You want to fuck up everything.
Kanti ungifuna ukuyenza mina kwethu kanti kumele kenzakaleni.
Ufuna kube nomna kwabo. Ay, Dumelo. Okay, no, that's fine. You know what we can do? Let us just go into a quick break and then we'll see what's going to happen after that. Ne?
Okay.
Let's try and get you some water and calm down, and then uzicabange nawe then from then onwards we can definitely continue. Is that fine with you guys?
No
Don't
problem.
cry. Do you want some tissue? We'll get you some tissue if you want it. Nah? Okay. But Betty, there you have it. It is what it is. Before it was what it was. You saw storms blazing, everything else. But of course, we are here as the mediator, and we are going to be playing our role. So it is what it is. Before it was what it was. We are going to hit a quick break, and Masbuya zizo colors zizo bagula speakers zizo tetema. It does not end here. Danko. So it is the real Neexy Nasmik, the MC at the Hennessy Scheme Sahast. You are still stuck on ISTHEMBU on CMTV SA. Definitely find us on all social media platforms: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and of course your YouTube. Zikaliles, begu loudspeaker, utumelo bati abasam phone. We're definitely going to be welcoming Ulita, the second 3 months girlfriend that has been playing Nutumelo. We want to see how it is going to pan out. Are they both going to stay into the relationship or not? So please do allow us to welcome Ulita. Please. Hello, loves.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm good. You are so cute.
You're thank.
Yo, girl. Like, ungato une spice on top of that. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm right.
Okay, no stress. Tumelo, here's Lita.
Hi, Vitunjan. I'm sharp, Joe. Okay. For introduce and I'm girlfriend yamle. And
Girlfriend yam.
yeah, I'm not 2 years na sijola mina naye. Sithandana kahle kahle thingathi sijola sithandana. Yeah.
Nithandana.
Yeah.
Mina bengazi ba uyajola naye uni 2 years.
No, obviously some of the things like mawuzoqala i-relationship angeke ngikutshele ngikutshela kanjani.
Ngeke kunjeni.
Mara ngeke ngifike kuwe ngithi ngiyajola.
Lita, how do you feel?
Ish. Like ayiphathi kahle. Ayiphathi kahle. Because yena ujole akantshela ukuthi uhile. Phofu vele bengikantshela ukuthi ya uyajola. Yeah, bezoyifihla.
Right closer.
All right. So if bezoyifihla and uyatsho nayo into bana uyayifihla ebeyifihlile kakade from the start, ikwenza ba ufile njani?
Like I feel it trend. I feel it trend. I feel right. And
Yoyika ne?
I know ukuthi ngiyoyika.
Worried ba uyaqhaphaza nje.
Yeah, uyanabuse uyanabuse.
So yeah, no, wena Tumelo uziphendulele mfethu.
Ngiyakaphuza mina kaphuza like how?
Emotionally ngithi uyasho ukuthi like umhethile.
Ngimhethile. Okay, fine. Ake ngibize ngokuthi ngikhethile, understand? Because like imade bengekho past 3 months, obvious sahlangana kwaba mnandi. And then now obvious like so developile my feelings for me. Onginamanga.
Yeah, unamanga.
Nginamanga.
Yeah.
Kanjani?
Kahle.
Okay, reason being like elaborate further please.
Awusena my feelings for Tumelo now at all.
No feelings. Now,
Mara unlimited.
Ngiyamthanda ya. Uyakhona ukuphuma endlini athi hayi uyodrayiva. Bemnandi yavume ya. Aphuma line nami ndiyakhona ukuphuma nami ndiyadrayiva. Yeah.
Oh nice ukuthi yena uyakhona ukuphuma mara mina I'm not supposed to go to groove. Makumele ukuthi ngigroove mina uzongije. Yo,
so when you didn't know ukuthi uyahamba la egroove.
Athi kumnandi uyakwazi ukuphuma. No, like makuyimi. My mom jokes I'm going to groove, he's complaining. And according to me, mina ngazi ukuthi ugcine kudala ke-groove.
Okay, all right. And then since you've been gone, let's get back to you because you've been very quiet. We'll come back to you, okay? So you've been very quiet and analyzing the situation right now. What do you think?
Like he's taking me for a pooze, cause like what the hell is this? Like what the fuck is happening here? I don't understand.
So you've been gone for 3 months, and since you've been gone for 3 months, were you taking care of yourself? In
Yes, I
regards to
was.
having to not sleep around with anybody else and whatever.
I'm not doing that because I respect myself. I don't do that.
Nice one.
Mara okay fine. So like ukugena ne conversation yini. Asikho 100% short inabanye mas.
Wena nabani? Ne-girlfriend yakho?
Not ukuthi mina ne
Wena ne-girlfriend yakho na
okay,
since
fine.
uthi thina
Mina
abanye.
ke angikho 100% sure.
Uzoba 100% sure kanjani? So busy phela wena manje. Kumnandi. So we South Africa phela la.
South Africa kanjani?
South Africa sibaningi. Kwela
Ngiyabona
province.
bheka triangle imnandi.
Triangle se food. Like yini lento ngenze ongilethele yona. Like what the fuck is happening? What's this?
And you guys are all matching here.
Yeah,
You guys are
now like yabona
it's a nice
outfit.
relationship.
Oh,
Like
yes.
ngiyat disrespect wala.
Do you feel
Like
disrespected?
I do.
Mm.
I do.
And then
Phezu kwalokho like you can see ukuthi she's a kid. Ungibhekisela ngabantwana. Like what the fuck?
Mos mele ngimkhulise.
I don't care.
Ngathi ngiyamkhulisa.
Angifuni uyamkhulisa sala naye ke.
Kanjani manje?
Ubuza mina.
so Lita, are you willing to share? Are you willing to share?
Yeah.
You are.
No.
You're not willing to share.
No.
So what's going to happen to Tumelo? If Entle says she's leaving Tumelo, you are here saying you are not willing to share. What's going to happen to Tumelo? He must find another girlfriend.
Mm-mm.
You are staying. What's going to happen? When umntana abe confused. Akazi ukuthi uyahlala or uyahamba or ikwenzakalani.
Obvious mele be confused.
Mela abe confused.
Ayike.
Are you not confused?
Mina ngikho confused.
You are certain with what you want.
Simple, clean,
Okay.
straight and forward.
Rafi situation ne awazi noba uthini because you've met uEndle and it's a huge moment. You can say anything however you feel like.
Yeah, angikho right you enhle mase ejule nalo. Still bana 2 months.
2 years.
2 years.
2 years, honey.
Yeah, 2 years.
Not 2 months.
Ngizola.
Dala sihlangene. So I don't know. Dala. Ain't 2 years why you like years asiyakhuluma. Why you asking me?
Alright. But yeah. Lento lena nayi ihlali kahle la ngaphakathi. Yeah, ihlali kahle.
Ayihlali kahle at all.
So manje ngakuhlali kahle wena ke wena udecide ke.
Kumele aphume ahambe.
Kanjani?
Angibuza amasimba.
Kanjani?
Ungangibuza amasimba.
Angikoni ukuphuma kaloku.
Ungalinge ungizongibuza amasimba. Like you asking me shit right now. Uqeda ukufika sisi. You just came here not so long ago yesterday. So uzofika uzongitshela ukuthi ngenzeni. See what I mean manje ngibhekisela ngabantu.
Yo.
So angeke uphume uzohlala noTumelo.
Uzohlala naye.
Kokwenu bayamazi. Usike waxelela udade babo.
Yeah, bayamazi ekhaya.
Okay. Tumelo 3 months. She's been gone 3 months. You have been doing umlando for 3 months. They already know you. Did you go to Eastern Cape?
Angeke mina. Should be batshele ngefone.
Okay.
Anyazi ke leyo.
Okay.
Yeah.
So when you've never spoken to her family over the phone?
Nothing.
Okay.
Yeah.
But kokwenu bayamazi.
Abamazi ngombona.
But uske uxoxe ngaye.
Bazogcina ukumazi ngegama lesisi because you are la uhlala khona. You living and I'm telling you I'm not asking you.
Like ngimfaka status yabo. Poster like bambona. Yeah.
Nice.
Umuntu.
Bayasho ukuthi ayichama boy. Ne?
Yeah.
And then wena uthanda ntoni ngoTumelo? Intoni le uyithandayo kangaka ngoTumelo? Ba ube uqiniseke into bana uyahlala wena.
Tumelo like unesiphatho like mina bengingamazi uyajola ne. Benimazi like benisithi ngowami. Yeah.
Too bad akusaso wakho nisisi because I'm here, I'm back.
Benisithi ngowami. Akekho umuntu like ojola naye indlela bereacta ngayo bereacting ngathi ngowami vele. Yeah. Bekanibonisa like into azenzayo ngaphandle. Yeah.
You guys have matching eyes. Did you guys notice?
Yeah.
Both of you guys have matching eyes.
Ngibonile le.
So in this case, the real eyes realize real lies. So you're basically lying, and then she's back, and then what do you want out of this?
Out of this. So obviously, like if I approve my email like citing. So obviously, ulitha kuyomele ngimshiye, understand? Because good 2 years relationship.
So wena ulitha because imama ayivumi.
Maka approve mele ngenzeni mfethu. Okay, le situation le maseyisone kahle kahle obvious na le mama mele accept ukuthi yazini manje sesiyitry ngele sesiyi3.
Kahle kahle no understand means ayifuni yonke lento le yenzakala la like I understand awungizwa.
So wena mangayifuni like okay ufuna kuyenzakala
muyeke
imeke umntana abantu.
Oh ufuna ukuthi kenzeni
no ngeke.
Muyeke.
Okay fine.
Mina ufuna ukuthi kuyenzakala ngaye muyeke.
It's fine ke ngizomyeka ke.
Muyeke vele.
Yeah ngizomyeka ke.
Yeah vele muyeke.
Yeah ngizomtext ngimtshele ukuthi ngizomyeka. Angeke ngimtshele la. Ngizomtext ngimtshele
ukuthi
ngiyamyeka.
Ngiyamtext makumele ukuthi umyeke uyamtexta. Maka mina mawumele uzongihlambalaza lapha phambi kwabantu ngiletha phambi kwabantu. Umtshele manje ayinsinabo ngoba.
Okay litha yazini.
Before umtshela ulitha. Before nje umtshela ulitha mntana abantu ukuthi wena awu grand bowenza umlando yet you have allowed her to know first girlfriend. Let's go and Puzamanzi and come back.
Yeah.
We are going to be going on to a very, very quick break. And when we come back, we will be seeing what's been happening and what is going to happen after that. Okay. Today you have it. We are going to be going on to a quick break. And when we come back, asazi ukuthi zizokhala zizotetema ngoba siyabona ukuthi la zizoba ku loudspeaker. It is what it is. Before it was what it was. Catch us on all social media platforms: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and of course your YouTube. You are still stuck with the real Neexy Nesmic, the MC with the Hennessy skim sized on CMTV SA. Danko. From the break, Buffett, so you're still stuck on CMTV on the show called ISTHEMBU. It is the real Neexy Nesmic, the MC with the Hennessy skim sized Lalela. We want to reach a conclusion, find out what's been happening, what's going to happen, and yabo isn't those corner. But of course, we are here to assist, we are here to help, we are here to play the role of being a mediator. So makungahlangani izinto zamathando njengoba sihlezi sisho ukuthi sihlanganisa izinto zamathando. If it doesn't come together, we would have tried, but it's okay, we are not there. Ngithi Tumelo, your words, my guy, to Ulita. She's here, you brought her here, you brought Lita to come and see Entle. Entle's not so happy about it. Lita's also not so happy about it.
Yeah.
What is it that you have to say for yourself to both of them? Because you can see they're both disappointed. They didn't know what's been happening with you. So what is it that you want to say to them?
Okay, mina into la ngifukuyisho ne. Fine, like it's ngale uenhle kahle bo. Enhle. Nyazi uthi dala mina na usipusha boy life in isiphanda nani okay fine. Flopile life ini. Fedi.
Flop vele.
Eish no man. Manje uzakhuluma. So ngiflopile life ini okay fine namnya nyasichacha ukuthi yazini ngibhedile understand. Ngokuyenza lento engiyenzile. You understand? So I hope now uzongixolela like yabo. And then Lita.
Umbuza njalo Enhle, just grab your mic nje and then umbuze ke.
Since uthi I've been away and and you needed something to keep you busy. So if it was you or Hambile, mina ngisele, was it going to be okay for me to do the same thing oyenzile?
No, bengeke be okay.
Oh, so my ends are way right.
I would say right. Obviously, when like you're a woman.
So?
Am I obvious nam sengizoshala enye uthi shaye khona?
Manje mina mele ngishaywe ngento eshaye enye indawo.
No, like ayikho kanjalo, ayikho kanjalo kahle.
No, ikanjalo angithi that's what you're saying.
Yeah, okay, fine. Into engishoyo, but obviously mina now is fun.
Asifani ngoba vele asifani.
Yes.
When we as home mina nje like I don't do shit that you're doing. Obviously asifani. Sizofana kanjani?
Ngicela like sibe ne way forward to singabhizi sibuyela back and forth. Simply.
I hope le way forward yakho inengqondo.
Yeah, inengqondo straight.
What is your way forward? We also want to know.
Okay, my way forward is little K sharp. Uyazi mina nawe bedlala ne. Back in the days, okay, sharp bekumnandi, okay, fine. Mama libuyile ku grade manje yabo. So lento yethu aka approve. So nama ngeke like ngiforce and nama ngeke ngilahlele like 2 years down the drain, understand?
Manje ke ngoku ufuna uxela uba lento yethu bingumdlalo.
Maka like okay, sharp 3 months nyana like mina now like busy sibonana, I understand so. Yeah, I think it's umdlalo kahle kahle. So my conclusion my uthi like yazini once kuyekwe vele.
Kuyekwe.
Yeah, like siyeke mina nawo lento siyenzayo. Sishiye phansi nje.
So anake ngikhona ukuyeka lento.
Ayeke khona ukuyeka like how? Kanjani?
Kahle nje.
So my wena kahle 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 wena ufuna ngilahlekelwe into ekhona nengekho.
Lensa le yam ayikho.
Umzwile masiwayo sambuzo.
Bese ngisho like
Umzwile sisi, why are you asking him?
Fila njani? Awusimi ndobana uthi hayi yena akakufuni and ibingumdlalo, yet he's still the same person that asked you to come and join us here so that he can address this whole situation to his girlfriend.
Andifile kahle lento biniphatha kabi.
So tsunpanda uzawuthini ngoku? Uzawuyenzani? Yahamba uyasala?
Ndizohamba. Vele ngizomfumana omnye umuntu.
Kuzokusiza vele.
Onye umuntu khona ngizomfumana. Like manje ngimfumana ngeke afane nalendlela bengiphethe nayo. Like abantu abafani vele.
Osithi so xa ulila uzawulilela isiphatho sakhe.
No, angizolilela isiphatho sakhe.
Uzawulilela ntoni ke xa uzolila?
Like yo mandithi yanzolilela isiphatho sakhe like beniphethe kahle. Yabo.
Okay. No, njakuva Lita enkosi kakhulu. Tumelo, what is your end result? So where do you want to go from here? What do you want to do? What are your last words? We are going to wrap up now.
my last words, it's over mfethu. Phelile kahle kahle, I understand.
3 months down the drain.
Down the drain noma vele ungashiya manje ngisale nemama ngilungise nami izinto yabo.
Please. It's love.
I hope ube grand.
Hope ube grand.
Abe grand umntana abantu.
Abe grand. Mina unandaba nami ukuthi ngifila kanjani.
Like I hope abe grand like life ini. Athole umunye umuntu abe grand.
You better.
Hey, it's time to jump on my conclusion. Joe.
Guys, sister C3 manje besi4. Yabona manje uhethe umunye umntana ama feelings after uqeda umintroduce. Senza kanjani ke?
My life mos yabona ezinye izinto beluyenza ama sacrifices yabo.
Do you think that you have jumped into conclusion because usheshe wajaha, you count your chickens before they hatch?
Ish. Yeah, ngisheshe ngajaha.
Jahile ne?
Yeah, blind.
Okay. So what is it that you're going to do to fix this thing ne imama?
Obviously like nali mama emele ngilibonise ukuthi yazini ama actions wami like towards her like yabo bonakala ukuthi yazini lento le engiyenzile fandaga nyemina yabo.
What are we saying from now ukuthi ayeke kuzulethe esinye ngaphakathi?
Angeke vele like letho omunye umuntu. Ngiyakufostana Joe. Blind. and manje nawe uzobona kuzoba ne-way forward.
Enhle?
But once a cheater, always a cheater.
Not good once a cheater, always a cheater.
Like when you temba with my all.
There's no such mawuthi once a cheater, always a cheater.
With my all, when you temba.
Okay, fine.
What do you think? What is your end result? Are you going to forgive him?
I don't know.
You're still going to think about it? Okay, no problem. Well, thank you very much, guys, for joining me and for joining us onto our show. And we do hope that you are going to be finding some healing after everything. And we also hope that Ulita, wherever she is, she's going to also find some healing. And we hope that you are not going to be bringing somebody else and then just before you are sure with everything. But over and above, thank you very much for joining us today. That's how we wrap it up on today's episode. Bafethu, Lita is gone and there is in between the waters. She's still not sure what is going to be happening to her relationship from 2 years, 3 months. It was a mess, but at least it's good to know that they're still together here now, for now, right? So that's how we wrap it up. This was ISTHEMBU. You were with the real Neexy, the MC with the Hennessy skin, so host Lalela Danko.